is not only a test of four-wheel driving skill, it demands courage, focus, winching, vehicle recovery, and mechanical skills. This is what the first Cebu Ecotrail 4x4 Challenge is all about. Organized by the Jeep Owners of Cebu Club, this off-road challenge and adventure took off on September 18, 2018 in the rugged mountainscapes of Damasan, 36 kilometers from Danao City. The course was plotted to test the vehicle and the driver. Notwithstanding the bad weather condition, the 4x4 wheel drive vehicles of different brands hurtled and swerved their way to the muddy slopes of Damasan. It was almost zero visibility.
It leads to a lot of excitement, it leads to a lot of challenges, and to the extent it leads to more craving for the year or the years to come. It's a lot of rain, a lot of water on the river, and a lot of mud in the final days of the event.
The success of the first Cebu Ecotrail 4x4 Challenge had inspired the organizers to mount a similar event next year. With cameraman Jefferson Cañada, Dan de Luzon, MyTV Cebu.